Out in the open country, quietly nestled in Camden Village near Jefferson City, Tennessee, is this exceptional home that's the perfect residence for a growing family. Welcome to 1974 Kaylee Drive. With 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, you'll enjoy over 2,100 square feet of living area. Not only do you enjoy tremendous space, you'll also enjoy an acre of level land surrounding you. Step inside. Here's an open floor plan, allowing easy access throughout. Your great room, dining area, and kitchen are only a few steps apart, and all beneath a majestic cathedral ceiling. There's plenty of space for your sofa and chairs in the main living area, with a great view of your widescreen TV. Of course, you can tailor the layout to your particular taste. There's lots of room for your dining table in the eat-in kitchen, and this kitchen has been thoughtfully planned with a large center island that's the perfect counter space for most efficient meal preparation. Stainless steel appliances are at the ready for everything from a snack to a feast. 3 bedrooms provide space, comfort, and privacy for every member of your family. But in addition, we've incorporated 2 additional bonus rooms that would be perfect office space or a studio. You're limited only by your imagination. With the large mudroom and play area for the kids, an attached storage and workshop, and so much more, you'll be accommodated for many, many years as your family grows in this special home. You have to see 1974 Kaylee Drive in Jefferson City, Tennessee for yourself. Call Tony Thomas of Weichert Realtors Tiger Real Estate Direct at 865-548-0661.